Welcome to the Xiaomi C400 Smart Camera Reset Guide. Whether you're troubleshooting or opting for a clean slate, resetting is the key. There are two ways to do it. Method 1, through the reset button. Ensure your camera is powered up. Find the reset button at the back of the camera. Press and hold that button for 3 seconds. Wait for the phrase, "Reset completed."
Reset complete.
Watch the camera start the reset process. Keep an eye out for the orange LED light. It means the reset is complete. Method 2, through the app. Open the My Home app. Choose the camera and press Open. Go to the settings by tapping on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Scroll down to the option Delete Device. Press it to start the deletion process. You will see that the camera's rooms have been deleted on the main app screen, indicating that the reset was completed. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your Xiaomi C400 camera in the playlist linked in the description below.